Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you fix try again later problem on Instagram in 2024. If you are guys facing this problem, then how can you fix it? So guys, let's start our video without wasting our time. First of all, you have to simply drag down your control center and make it sure that your internet connection is working properly. So guys, check your internet connection, and after this open setting, and from here scroll below, tap on general, and from here tap on software update, and make sure that you are using the updated version, and after this go back and scroll below, tap on iPhone storage, and from here you have to make sure that there is enough space on your iPhone, and after this go back, tap on date and time, and from here turn on set automatically and go back, tap on VPN and device management, and make sure that there is no connected VPN in your device. So guys, if there is any connected VPN, simply disconnect it and again go back and scroll it below, and from here transfer or reset iPhone, and from here tap on reset and reset your network setting as well. So guys, reset your network setting, and after this go back and check if your problem is fixed or not. If you are facing this problem, then you will have to open App Store and search Instagram, and now you have to update your Instagram to the latest version if there is any update like this. So guys, here you can see simply updated, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.